Hello, my name's John, I'm a retired cook and welcome to one of my quickie video recipes. Unlike my normal video recipes, this will be a series of very short videos full of quick and easy handy recipes with lots of tips and tricks from our work kitchens. And today's recipe is how to make whipped cream, or to give it its posh French name, Chantilly cream. This dessert recipe is great for filling cakes, donuts, flans, choux pastries, trifles, to name but a few, and it's one you can make well in advance and very handy to know. You can view the ingredients list and full written method for this recipe on the recipe page on the channel's website. I'll leave a link in the description under the video, or you can click on the eye icon top right of the screen to take you directly to the recipe page. And this one couldn't be easier. It only has 3 ingredients: cream, vanilla extract and sugar. Start by adding the cream to a bowl. This recipe is good for anywhere between 200 and 300 millilitres of double or heavy cream, also known as whipping cream. Single or light cream is no good for this recipe. Once your cream's in the bowl, add your powdered or icing sugar followed by your vanilla extract. Right, either by hand or with a machine like mine, whip up your cream until it starts to turn thick. And if you do use a hand whisk to do this, it'll take about 4 to 5 minutes. But this electric mixer should do it in about 2 minutes. If you are using a hand mixer like mine, once you see patterns appearing in the cream, stop and transfer to a spatula and slowly whip it until you reach the consistency where it'll stand up on its own. If you do go too far and it gets too thick, you can rescue it by adding a couple of teaspoons of milk at a time and slowly mix it in with the spatula until it becomes soft again. And that's it. Cover your bowl and get it into the fridge until needed. This can be made well in advance of your recipe. All of my recipes in this image has used this very Chantilly cream in the filling. It's quick, easy and delicious. Well, that's it for this one, and I hope to see you in my next quickie video recipe. And before I go, I hope you don't mind if I give my 3 recipe books a bit of a plug. The books have lots of our favourite recipes from our work kitchens in them. All 3 books are available in the website shop along with lots of other equipment I use in the videos. And for the next few days I'll be throwing in a free baker scraper worth £3 when you purchase 1, 2 or all 3 books. The offer closes midnight Thursday the 7th of July 2022 UK time, so get your free scraper now. Also, we now have a shop open on eBay where we have lots of our products for sale too. So if you want to check that one out, I'll leave a link in the description box below the video. Well, thank you again for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe by hitting the circle above. If you do subscribe, activate the bell icon next to the subscribe button on my channel page. And by doing that, you'll be automatically notified every time I upload a new video. And in the meantime, here's a few of my other videos and playlists that you may want to watch. So until the next time, be safe in your kitchen and bye for now.